In this video, I'm gonna reveal to you guys the reason that I haven't been able to post any videos for the past couple of 2 weeks, and we're gonna unbox some cool gadget and go through them one by one and see what we have here. Right now I have a stack full of packages and I can't wait to open them up for you. Hey guys, this is the Sun and thank you for coming back to yet another video where I'm going to show you guys the best equipment, the best technology to make your life just a little bit easier. So for the past couple of weeks, I've been dealing with a family emergency and I have been out of the town. I haven't posted any videos and I apologize about that. But nevertheless, I have received a lot of packages that I'm going to go through it for you guys. This is just an unboxing of their actual wrapping and see what we have. And if you like some of the stuff that you see, then make sure stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, as I'm gonna do a detailed unboxing and review of each of these products. So without further ado, let's start with the first package. I have no idea what these are. There's a lot of them, so it's gonna take a long time to go through it. But it always feels nice when you receive stuff on the internet. What is this one? Oh, these are an amazing chopstick. I love this. This is by Fitness City. They make the best titanium chopstick, and if you're someone on the go like Chopstick, I'm gonna do a detailed review of these later, but put that to a side. Next, what is this one? Oh, this is from our dear friend in Bellroy. What do they have? Oh, this is their new bag. This is Bellroy's new bag. This is one of the best bags all around. And if you are a person who's a fan of going out and going to the parties, I don't know, going camping, going to business meeting, and you like to have a bag that fits all your need, this is what you need. Now I'm going to do a detailed review on this later, but oh my god, this thing looks amazing. Wow. So much room, so much stuff. This is awesome. This is Bellroy's work bag, and this looks fantastic. I love it. This is going to be my main go-to bag. Let's see what we have here. Oh, cool. This is some sort of a smart plug by, I don't know who's that by. H2o? I am not sure how to pronounce this, but essentially you could connect your devices to this and you could remotely control them with the app, with your Alexa, Google Play, or Google Assistant. Cool little handy device to have if you want to be able to control everything and let Alexa do your things. All right, what is this one? Okay, this one is hard to open. I have something that is gonna help me unbox. Let me find that first. So recently I've been a fan of Urban DLC. They make amazing product, and I got their little knife to help me unbox my packages. And this thing is made out of titanium. This is an awesome little knife. If you're looking for a small handy knife, this is it. Look at this. This thing is awesome. Wow. Feels great. Feels awesome. Let me take it out of their packaging. And oh my god. First of all, I love their packaging. Everything, it's so cool. And the color is just amazing. What else do we get inside the box? We get their little ad, and on the back of it, look at the attention to detail. This is what I like. Then we get a little sticker, and that's it. But this knife, this thing is awesome. Oh, this thing is sharp. Very cool. Okay, we're gonna continue to our next box. using our trusty knife. See what we have. I think I need stitches. Fuck. That was horrible. I have to have this on my hand now, but this thing, this is sharp. Be careful. Watch it so you know which way you're turning it down. No, put it right here. So, okay. This needs to be on my finger at all time because I'm not gonna delay another video for you guys. This is gonna happen. I'm gonna unbox. We have a USB-C adapter. USB-C to a regular USB. This is always handy because I purchased myself a hard drive. This is just kind of a to-go hard drive, easy hard drive to carry around and not worry about anything. Right here, we have, this is supposed to be something special. This is from Apple. They sent this to us. And what it is, what do you think we have here from Apple? A MacBook, a 13-inch MacBook Pro. Always awesome. Nice. This is really, really cool. Wanted the MacBook, and now we have one. Ah, my finger. Okay. Gonna go through it. I received this from one of my fans out there, and they sent me a Walkman. I love these old Walkmans, but this one has a little problem that the belt on it is loose, so it's not gonna play your cassette that well. So in another video, I'm gonna show you guys how to change the belt on these things, and these are awesome. Always wanted a Walkman. I had one with me at all time when I was a kid, so nostalgic. Very, very nostalgic. Here, this is another open box. What is this one? This is a transmitter that basically you could connect to your audio and it pairs up with your phone via Bluetooth. It's for your car and it's just an audio receiver. Nice handy item to have, but I gotta test it before I'm sure it's worth the price they're asking for. Where is this one? This is from Apple too. This is probably something that I bought myself, but we shall see. Oh, Office. 1 year of Office, if I'm not mistaken. Oh no, this is the Office home studio, so this shouldn't be 1 year. This should be good for a long time. It's 2016 Office, and this is their packaging. This is for you guys, so stay tuned. I'll give you the keys so you can access it. Next, we have a USB 8-in-1 USB hub. This is something that I've been waiting for, especially that I got the new MacBook. This is something that it's really, really good to have. So we'll keep that in mind. Next, we have another box from our dear friend from Bellroy. And this thing is a game changer. I mean, I have these products and I love it, but I didn't have the set. So what I did, I contacted them and I asked them to send me the set, and they were generous enough that they send it to me so that I can unbox it for you guys. This could have been much more easier if I had my other hand, but I can't put too much pressure on it because it is bleeding really bad. Like, I think I need to go to the hospital, but I am delaying it. Whew. This is awesome. Ah, this is so good. Do you know what? I'm not gonna open this right now But this is a whole set that you need to have with you at all time. Stay tuned for this, coming from Bellroy. Next, we have another box that is coming from, it has an Apple like logo on it, so it's probably something to do with a computer. Huge box. And yes, it's a backpack. This one is a backpack. This should be interesting. All right, I don't know why. I don't know who contacted me about this backpack, but whoever it was, thank you very much for sending it to us. I will definitely review it and let you guys know what I think of this backpack. It looks nice. Put that aside. Put the box to the side. Make sure that I have all the lights in me. All right. Next. This is coming from Germany. I think I know what this one is. What happened? I don't know. Anyway. Oh, do you know what this is? This is that screen protector. This is supposed to make your tablet feel like paper. Yes, yes, yes. This is Paperlike. The company is named Paperlike. And they're an amazing company. They're based in Germany. And important information. You might need to keep that. This is a company called Paperlike, and they make amazing screen protector for your tablet that both acts as a screen protector and it acts as a subscriber. It acts the screen protector, but it also makes your tablet feel like a paper. So when you write on it using your Apple Pencil, it feels just glamorous. Cool, cool. Oh, I need this one. This is the iPhone case by Bellroy. I purchased it because right now this is my iPhone case. Don't make fun of me, but past week when I was gone, one of my family members saw my Bellroy case that I had on my phone. He loved it, and she gave me her case and took my case. So let's do the change right now. Have our beautiful iPhone. Old case gone, and here we go. Beautiful new Bellroy case. This thing just feels so good. Wow. Okay, put that aside. We don't need the box anymore. What do we have here? Oh, this is another package from Urban DLC. This is their famous fidget spinner. Again with that shit. Do you see that? This knife. Ugh. This knife is scary. This is a very scary knife. Apparently this is one of the most expensive fidget spinners that I have ever seen. And okay, looks nice, but it's very hard to operate and it is very heavy. I think this has more of a decorative look, but it spins for a long time. Let's see when it will stop. Okay, no, this more. This doesn't look like a spinner. This is more of a. Okay, I like this, but it doesn't give me that satisfying feeling because it's too heavy. It's not easily maneuverable. Yeah, I don't like this. $175 for this spinner? No. Don't like it. But I'll do the review on it since they were generous enough to send it to me. But I'll let you guys know in detail what I think of it when I actually unbox it a little bit more and play with it a little bit more. Next, we have an unusual item, H2o Sim Card. This basically is supposed to work with any phone, and it's supposed to be a phone to go, so easy phone with easy plans. I don't know why I have this. And finally, right here, that it's open again, I have a power bank. So, put that right here. Pretty cool stuff. That's about it. That's 2 weeks worth of equipment that I received. I'm gonna unbox it for you guys later in a better video where my finger is actually working. Right now, I'm healing. Yeah, this is what happened. And I need to just keep this pressure on it at all time. I can't even play video games now. This thing is an awesome knife, but very, very dangerous. So always handle your knife with both hands. Put that to the side. As always, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and for detailed unboxing of this cool gadget that I received. And until then, I think I gotta go to hospital because this thing, my finger is in pain and it hurts so much.
Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
Click, listen, enjoy.